Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat SS06 support code. So let's get started. So here we are, and if you are finding this, you can't log in because this is preventing you from logging in, this SS06 support code, then you can try my methods here on how you can get over that. So the first one would be to go and uninstall your Snapchat right here. And then after you have uninstalled your Snapchat, you want to go and reinstall it in the App Store. So you want to go into your App Store right here and just search for Snapchat right here. And then from here, you basically would want to update or open or install it right here. So you just basically want to make sure that your Snapchat is in the latest version. So now once you have reinstalled your Snapchat and it still doesn't work, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna proceed to the next method. So the next method would be by using a VPN. So I suggest that you use NordVPN. This is what I'm currently using right here. So basically you would need to have a different IP address so that WhatsApp would not detect you. So if WhatsApp detected that you're having a different IP address, not the same one as you have when you got your Snapchat banned, because SS06 is basically a soft ban. So you can just go connect to a server right here. And then from here, you can now try opening Snapchat and see if it works for you, because your IP address will now be changed by using a VPN. If it doesn't work, then what you can do is that this is the final resort. So you can go into your browser, and then from here you can go into help.snapchat.com, and then from here you're basically gonna go and contact their customer support to help you get your SS06 support code lifted. So from here you just want to scroll down, tap here on contact us. And then from here, you would want to tap on I can't access my account right here, submit a request right there. And from here, it would now load up. And as you can see right here, my account has been compromised and I can no longer access to it. And so on right here. So you would need to provide your username, email right here. So make sure that the email associated with your Snapchat account so that they would know that it's you. And then your mobile phone number that is also associated with your Snapchat account, and your description right here. Just type out that you were having problem with the SS06 support code, and Snapchat customer support would help you through that. So just provide it here in the description so that they would know your situation, and you can be more specific with this one right here. So those are basically the steps on how you can fix Snapchat SS06 support code. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.